Good afternoon. My name is Carl Demaz. I'm here with Panasonic at the famous Almo E4 event here in Dallas, Texas. I'd like to thank you for joining us. Today, Panasonic would like to tell you about kind of our solutions approach to professional audio video. Panasonic is one of the few companies out there that can actually do what I call glass to glass. That is meaning acquisition, glass on the front of the camera, through video editing, production, storage of that content, all the way through projection of the glass lens on a projector. So we pretty much fill the entire void. Today we'd like to talk about some of the key products we have, which are ProAudio. So again, we're talking about audio that would go into a conference room, would go into a education type facility. These are fairly new. We have an 8-channel system. It all runs on 5 gigahertz, which is the latest technology. We've added boundary mics, so you can sit at a conference table, it would only pick up the voice. The PTZ camera would automatically tune into the person that is talking. The same will play with the gooseneck mic, which is also, by the way, push to talk. That would all come back into a video type server. That video server would then capture all that content, audio and video, be able to follow the person actually giving the presentation through the auto tracking software. That software would also then allow you to be able to record that and play that back at any time, stream that to any location that you'd want, and then eventually, of course, output it to one of our display devices, which includes our projectors and our flat panel displays. For customers that actually need a more intimate location where they just want to go in and do a PowerPoint presentation, the cameras are working there for things like Zoom, but we also have other products out there, which we include Preset, our technology, which connects your PC directly to the display. You hit one button, you plug it in HDMI, you plug in the USB cable, hit the button, and you're presenting. So again, we're trying to look at it as Panasonic as a full-blown solution for customers in virtually any market out there. House of worship, education, boardroom, conference room, huddle rooms. We think we can do pretty good solutions for just about anything you have out there. So thank you for visiting us. You can find more information from your local Almo rep or visit the almo.com site. Thank you.